Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to outline text in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Outlining text in Adobe Express is a simple and effective way to make your text stand out. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to click the project or design that you wanted to outline your text with. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can browse thousands of amazing designs to begin your work. But if you want to upload your own content and start from scratch, just click this button. Now, I'm going to start my design with this elements that I have put together right here. Now, go to the text section in the left side panel of your dashboard wherein we can add a text. You can choose your own font, color, and formatting, or start from a text layout. All right. And from here, type in your text, which is going to be this one. I'm going to put it down here. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller for you guys to see it. All right. Now, outlining here is very simple. When I say simple, you see there is already an outline tool here. All I have to do is click the outline button, because here you can choose the swatches. That means these are going to be the colors that you can choose. All right. These are some of the recommended. But of course, if you want to choose your favorite color, just hover down here. But if you want a custom kind of color, you can go here so you can check the gradients of them. All right. You can also put in the hex code if you want, or the RGB, depending on your preferences. Obviously, you can go back again to the swatches to make it a little bit easier to notice. Once you have finalized the outline, you see you have an option for the outline thickness. You see that? The more you increase it, the more you can see the outline thickness. And of course, you can reverse of them. You see that? You can reverse the outline to your preferences. It's very easy, really, right here. And of course, from there, you can also change the font style to match the font outline that you have selected. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And again, if you want to click on download, just click the option right here. We will see you in the next video.